Jona akisingiza gari na wakati wake nikaingia. Sana cuma kule cuma kau orang kafiri ya musuh ya apa besumo dora tena kaina musuh ye jagere terwaena masuk inja tere tahu ye agitayo me fuka kusukume mpaka foto mtawe naye wakachakara watoka sakto kuzana bikasitokule muntu kakamulukuka nenga napanyopangisa
abantu amushara bajama bijagane motoka sana bagiga ko ile kosi
mas mentalite yabawe dorera ari nango kuze motoka ngolia
yo nataka mutiaro kama mimi nataka alafu dawana bagashiriwi vitu anaanza kuweka kwa kule moja
yango kala kasela hivi yango kala kasela hivi
live yaje
nasema tofauti
katika hii video za demo pesi tari kamera kati ewe kwa kwa bisetu meze kati kuguni eriwa ole live buji natenga jera kantere nei aba abajoyini nzo balabirawo
bana muliko bana
Choigira nichifungira mwezi Jumanae wamufura mwezi wako wukui wamukoba guli earphones sana ano ambo
Unako mbizi. Sio kuenda kwa YouTube. You know.
Carolina.
That's it. Well,
Hello. Okay. We're gonna break down the market of 75 index, volatility 75 index. I hope you guys you are ready for this market analysis breakdown. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I think this is the right time you subscribe. Subscribe to this channel, Trader Dives. Just go to YouTube. After going to YouTube, type in Trader Dives. After typing in Trader Dives, I think you'll be accessing our YouTube channel. After accessing our YouTube channel, then you have to click that like button and plus turning on the notification bell so that you can be informed whenever we open up, whenever we upload another video. So now, if you really want to be successful while trading volatility indices, I think this is the right video you must be listening or watching till to the end, because we are going to be sharing a lot of information. So at least be attentive and give it time. Watch this session from the beginning up to when we close up this session. So for those who haven't subscribed, like I've told you, I'd like you to follow up with me. See the steps you must follow for you to subscribe to this channel. We're heading over to 2,000 subscribers, so we would like to see you guys pushing it harder by the time we finish this year, when you have over like 5,000 subscribers, because this is the right channel which is going to give you information or the techniques behind how you can be profitable through trading the forex market. So now, after going to YouTube, this is the YouTube page, homepage. Come on the search button and type Trader Dives. So after typing Trader Dives, click on the search button. After clicking on the search button, you wait until the web, give it time for the website to reload. After reloading, so this is the YouTube channel, Trader Dives. So now you have to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, you have to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to all, so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. So if you want to miss out, don't subscribe. But if you want to receive all the information we are giving out for free through this course of analyzing the market breakdown of 75 and other volatility indices pairs, you have to subscribe. Now, I think I'm done with that. So now we are going to head back to our chart of analyzing 75 index now. So what do we do? What we do first is we head in the higher time frame. The higher time frame, it can be 24 hours or it can be a weekly chart, but mainly I consider to use the weekly chart and the daily chart for you to get a clear picture of the trend, for you to get a clear picture of the market structure, for you to determine which trend are we, or how is the market playing around. Because mainly in the market we have a lot of fake outs, in the market we have a lot of consolidations, in the market we have a lot of a trending, we have what we call a trending market, whereby you'll find a trend. If we are to relate a trending market That means there is a moment where you find the market is let me give you a little bit example. This is a good example of a trending market. So now we experienced a downtrend for a long time. If you can try to calculate it over a month when volatility 75 index is just dropping or melting, so that means this is our trend. So now you can be a profitable trader when you're following the trend, but if you can't follow the trend, that means most of the cases you're going to be losing money. Why? Because always the trend is your friend, but if you don't follow the trend, that means you are trading against the market. You as a trader, you must be following what the market is doing, not what you are expecting the market to do. Now, without wasting time, what do? We as trader dives mentors, what we do first is we watch the market from the higher time frame. Secondly, we outline out the major market key levels. What are the major market key levels? Major market key levels is where we focus on getting those key points where the market has bounced so many times or rejected so many times. That means that area is being respected by the market so many times. It can be either a resistance level or it can be a support level. So now, what do? You get your horizontal line. So I'm going to start pointing out our major market key levels. So I'll be considering the resistance levels and support levels. So now the resistance levels, you must be watching out the resistance levels and the support levels. So now at the moment I can see we also have this level. So this is our resistance level. So now, without wasting time, if I try to minimize, I can see now the market is playing around this area. So this is where the market is playing around. So now we have to anticipate, are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend? So now the overall trend, if you try to focus on the market, you can see we have a lot of impulse correction move. So this was an impulse correction move, impulse correction move, impulse correction move, impulse correction move. But we want to see if we are seeing a lot of consolidation around this area, what does it mean to a trader who is trading price action? So now we have to break down each pattern at once. I can see we had a bearish wedge. I'm going to start breaking down all these patterns for you. So this is a rising wedge. This is a rising wedge. If you try to go deep, so what I'm doing now exactly, I'm trying to spot the trend, the overall market trend of this volatility 75 index. This was our supply zone. So this supply zone, that means whenever the market reaches on this zone, we're expecting sellers to rate the market towards the downside. Why? Because on the supply zone, always we're expecting a lot of resistance, and always on the demand zone, we're expecting the market to be to be oversold. Then there is a lot of buying pressure on the demand zone, and there is always selling pressure on the supply zone. So now, if I try to continue breaking down, I can see we also have another impulsive move. another impulsive move. Another impulsive move. So now we have an impulse, correction move, impulse. Correction move, impulse. But when you look on the overall picture, we can see we traders who trade chart patterns, whenever you are approaching the market, we can see that we had a first shoulder, this was our head, and this is our second shoulder. But when you look at this inverted head and shoulders pattern, it is formed on the resistance, on both support level and resistance level. What do you have to do? Zoom out your chart, because we have already analyzed the market, that overall trend, we are in a downtrend. Now, if the overall trend, we are in a downtrend, try to zoom out and see. There is what we call trend in trends. So now, if the overall trend is a downtrend, there is also an intermediate trend, whereby it can be a small uptrend or a small downtrend. Now, if I try to zoom out, you can see we have our inverted head and shoulders pattern. So this is our one shoulder, head, and another shoulder. So now, if you come across head and shoulders pattern, these are reversal patterns. So majorly reversal patterns, they change trends, because we analyzed the market and then we saw that we are in an overall trend is a downtrend. But if we see a reversal pattern, that means the trend has changed. We are no longer in a downtrend. We are going to be experiencing the market to push to the upside. What do you have to do as a trader? You have to start spotting out where to jump in. If I try to scroll back, I can see there was a good opportunity here to jump in the market. Good opportunity here to jump in the market. So now, for those who were watching this pair sometime back in April, I think there was a lot of money being made here. Why? We had what we call a bullish wedge, which was broken and retested. So now, if you're trying to enter this trade, you are supposed to enter on this breakout of this wedge and trade all this pattern all the way to the take profit. So now, this was our first entry on this particular pattern. So now, the market consolidated for a while, but the formation of the consolidation, always the market is forming a pattern. So now, we also had an inverted head and shoulder. This was the first shoulder, head, and the second shoulder. So we broke above these lower highs and created a new high. We retested these lower highs, which was our complete pattern for falling wedge. Then after, prices had to pump to the upside. So that was our first trade. The second trade, we also had another falling wedge. I don't know whether you guys were making profits on these trades. So this was our second trade. This particular pair. Let me first delete this one. So this was our second pattern. It was also a falling wedge. For those who were spotting this market, I think the perfect entry was right here on our retest. This is where was the perfect entry to enter this trade. So now it's still playing out, and we expect the market to keep pushing to the upside because, like I have told you, we are in the higher time frame. The higher time frame indicates that there is a reversal pattern which has changed the trend of this pair, which is volatility 75. So now, if you haven't entered in this pattern, I think you place either your buy stops or buy limits, because it may retrace a little bit or it may push to the upside for it to complete this pattern. So now, if you're watching us live and you trade volatility 75 index, this is the right moment for you to wait for a confirmation. You, according to your analysis or according to your market behavior, what you respond or what you wait for the market to do for you to enter. Then after, execute your trade and hold, because it may take some time, because as you know, the market can't just push to the upside at once. So we must experience a little bit pullbacks. Why? We have some minor levels which we haven't indicated, but these are our major market key levels where we expect always the market to make a pullback. So whenever the market makes a pullback, that means it is a right entry for you to enter. But this is our take profit 1, take profit 2. There you can first exit all your positions and wait, and we see how is the market going to react on this level. So if we break above this major market key level and we experience a retest, that means we shall be riding this trade all the way to the upside. But at the moment, we must first respect this market key levels. This is our first take profit. This is our second take profit. So now, I don't know whether you have invited other people to come and watch us live. If you have did so, I think you're doing something great. For those who are watching this video or live session and you haven't subscribed, I think this is the right time to subscribe. Go to YouTube, type in Trader Dives. After typing Trader Dives in the search button, click search. After clicking search, this is our YouTube channel. This is the username of the YouTube channel, and we are live at the moment. So now, if you're watching this live session and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you subscribe, I think you're going to be learning a lot of information for free. That's what I can tell you, because we don't charge anything and we're giving out a lot of information for free. So for you to be appreciative, you must also subscribe to our channel so that we can both gain from each other. So now that is volatility 75 index. Maybe if you'd like us to analyze another pair, which can be a bonus pair, you can send us a message. Send us a message. You can type in the search button and we'll see whether you can try to share your knowledge.
All right. We'll be back from. I would like to welcome back everyone who is still watching on the live. Yes, we're giving it back to back. So I want to welcome everyone from the market analysis and some opportunities while they are. Our CEO, which have been trying to show us and how you can trade this volatility 75 index. So for other adding tips, so I'm going to show you the strategy what you can use to scalp. So those are strategies CEO what was showing you, and to break down what you can use to implement in your trading style. So we are just giving you the basics, guys. So what you have to do, you know, some things what we can trade, we as we trader dives or online dives, we are different. You know, every trader it is a different, has a different style of trading. So we're just giving you guys the basics so that you can twist it in your trading style, whether you're a scalper or whether you're a swinger or you are intraday. They call it intraday. Yeah, intraday trader. So we're just giving you the basics so that you can skill up in your trading. So as by now, you're going to see the massive scalping strategy right now. So I'm going to take you down. Let us clean the chart right now, everything, so that we can living in. So we are going to see how we can scalp the Volatility 75 index. Are you getting the point? So hold on a little bit, and then we open the new chart right now. Open the 75. This is going to be what else. Hello. Yes, man. Man. So what are you messaging? Man. Nakuja kaka.
Beno taping leo. Ngondo zile video.
Bwana kuchat.
Kajala ndo asatu bon. Also going live one of a notification. But the live is in make you. I don't know what was on your mind. I don't know what I'm doing.
Yes, what's going on, divers? Now we are back to the chat right now, so let us diving in to see the best way how you can scalp Volatility 75 index as a scalper or a day trader. First thing first, what we have to do, come on daily time frame or weekly time frame. What is the role of the weekly time frame? We can see that the role of the weekly time frame or a daily time frame or monthly time frame, we try to get what are the overall direction, guys. Why we this higher time frame, they helps us to get an overall direction. We can see now the market is moving down. The market is moving down. How to identify that the market is on uptrend or in consolidation or it is on a downtrend? It's very super easy. First thing first, what you always to do, you get you this tool. I don't know the name. How do they call it? How do they call that tool? Rectangular tool. What we have to do to draw it and find the high highs and high lows, guys. the high highs and high lows in the market. You can see that the market was coming up, made this low, finally breaks it, comes for a high, made a high low, it breaks it again, makes up a double top, what we call that equal highs, guys. So it comes, which means if you after identifying this kind of the movement in the price, you know that